Hi, I'm Marsya, and today I'll be presenting my experiential design proposal for Task 2. So we'll start with the About section. A quick intro to my proposal. Event promotion is changing fast, and traditional posters don't really stand out anymore, especially when everything is digital now. So for this project, I'm creating an AR event poster that turns into a interactive experience when it's scanned. From my research, I found that event promoting is shifting, and AR plays a big role in boosting engagement. So, Gen Z and millennials don't really connect with passive ads. They prefer interactive experiences, especially at music and cultural events, which is supported by Pelzer and Eventbrite. And AR also performs way better than traditional media with up to 40% higher engagement and 94% higher conversion rates, according to Orange CEO. So, overall, AR has the potential to make festival promotions more exciting, meaningful, and effective in getting people interested and more involved. Moving on to the problem statement, the festival scene is getting a lot more crowded with new events popping up all the time. So just relying on posters isn't it doesn't seem enough anymore. Gen Z and millennials love interactive digital experience, so for Green Room to really stand out, we need something fun and engaging that gets people excited and actually makes them want to attend the event. The goal is to move beyond traditional promotions and make the experience more engaging and immersive so people get excited and are more likely to actually attend and purchase tickets. Basically, this idea uses AR to level up concert promotions. When someone scans the poster, it comes to life, and then they can tap around to see the band information, they can watch videos, and check out the event details. There's also a 360 venue preview and a direct ticket buying button, so the whole thing feels way more interactive and fun compared to a normal poster. This is what the experience offers, and to put it simply, it is a interactive AR poster that lets users scan to explore event content and buy tickets directly. The main audience for this is Gen Z and millennials who love going to concerts and festivals. It's also for people who are into the local and indie music scene, since Green Room attracts that crowd, and they're usually tech savvy and open to trying new things like AR. Moving on to the user persona section, I'm just going to skim through this very fast. The first user persona is Jasmine. She's 27, works in marketing, and loves indie events and creative markets in KL. She sees tons of event ads online, but most of them feel very repetitive and overwhelming. So she wants something fresh and interactive to help her decide what's worth going to. And she's super comfortable with digital experiences like AR because she's quite tech savvy. Then we have Ben, who's 23, a music student, and he goes to a lot of shows, either to support friends or look for inspiration. He's always online discovering new gigs, but event information can be messy and spread out everywhere, so he would be intrigued by creative event promotions and enjoys trying new tech, so AR is also something he'd be excited to use. And then the third one is Nimue. She's 25. She's a software engineer and she often goes to Green Room every time they have an event. So she loves the music, the market, and the whole creative vibe. So she just wants to have fun and find engaging ways to keep up with event updates and explore what's to come. Since she already enjoys AR filters and interactive content, this experience would fit her perfectly. Moving on to the user journey, this is the initial user journey, which is that the user notices event promotions online or in public. The pain point is that there are too many events that look very similar to one another. The game point is that they find a festival that stands out, hopefully. And then the solution is that the AR poster will grab people's attention. Then the user looks for lineup and venue info. The pain point could be that the details are too scattered or unclear or missed out at any point. Then the gain point is that they want a quick and engaging access to the information. The solution would be scanning the poster would show the bands, videos, and vendors and all the information in one place. Then if the user decides to attend the event, the pain point would be the ticket links could be very confusing because there's multiple links that you have to click on, or there's information that you're unsure of. The gain point is that they would prefer a simple ticket access, and the solution would be the buy ticket option on the application that enables easy purchase. Then the users plan and share the event with their friends, which could make the venue hard to picture, which is the pain point. And the game point is that it could build excitement before the event. The solution is to have a 360 view that gives a preview of the event space. Then lastly, the user goes to the festival, and the pain point is that they may miss some stalls or sets that they didn't hear of. The game point is that they would feel part of a creative community, and the solution would be possibly a future on-site AR guide that helps explore the stages and the markets better, which is, I think, similar to my second idea proposal. This is the new user journey after the AR has been implemented. So the user opens the app for the first time. The pain point could be that they're unsure of what the app offers or how to even work the app. The game point would be a simple onboarding to build excitement, and the solution could be an intro tutorial that explains the features and the event access clearly. Then the user scans the official green room poster, could be physical, could be digital. Then the pain point is that they might struggle with the camera setup or positioning. The game point is they have a quick and responsive scan to create curiosity, and the solution would be an auto scan function and a visual guide of how to use the camera for easy use. And then the poster will come to life with 3D visuals. The pain point is that it could be overwhelming by too many elements. The game point is that the user gets to enjoy an immersive and creative experience, and the solution would be to have a clean UI layout with very clear navigation. Then if the user decides to attend and buy the ticket, it would be hard to switch to an external site because it would break the flow. The game point would be fast and convenient purchase process, and the solution would be the in-app buy ticket button that allows the user to buy the ticket directly. Then lastly, they can explore the event space before attending. The pain point is that it may be hard to picture the real experience or whatever traffic that's happening on the day itself. The game point would be builds excitement and better preparation. The solution would be a 360 interactive view of the stage and the market areas. Now let's walk through how the AR experience actually works. So first, users scan the event poster by using their phone, and as soon as the camera detects it, the poster comes to life and a short onboarding guide so they know how to interact with it. From there, they can tap on different elements on the poster to explore content. For example, if they tap a band's name, they'll get the band info, some videos, and extra exclusive content, almost like getting a sneak peek into their performance. There's also a dedicated button to buy tickets right inside the AR interface, so users don't have to jump between apps or websites. Another cool feature is the 360 venue view. Users can move their phone around to explore what the event area will look like, the stage, the market space, and just the overall event. It helps to build the excitement and give them a sense of the space before they attend the event. And finally, for an added layer of fun, there's an optional minigame where users can scan their surroundings to find hidden event tickets, and if they find all of them, they get a small discount. For the color palette, I kept it consistent with the original green room poster, which is shown in the slide. The main colors are pulled directly from the event branding so that the AR experience still feels like part of the same identity. For the typefaces, I used Alpha Fridge Magnet for the headings and the buttons, which is the exact font from the original poster to match the playful tone of the festival branding. So for the body text, I'll be using Aileron, which is clean, modern, and easy to read, especially on mobile screens. For the icons, I went with simple, minimal, and functional designs since the AR interface already has a lot happening visually with all the poster elements. The icons are intentionally clean and subtle so that they don't distract users from the main content. Next, this is the mood board. For this project, I pulled the visual direction directly from the original Green Room poster, so that the idea was to keep everything consistent with the festival's existing style. So the colors, textures, and the graphics all come from that source itself. So instead of redesigning or reinventing the look, I wanted the visuals to feel like an extension of what already exists. And lastly, this poster serves as the visual references for the style I plan to apply to the AR experience. And to end this presentation, I have included the full document link, my e-portfolio, and this presentation video. Thank you.